A 2-minute tutorial on how to make a faux flower wreath. You will need a 350ml polystyrene wreath. I used one with a flat back. A selection of silk flowers and foliage. I got mine from Laura Ashley and I used 6 bunches. You'll need a hot glue gun and a pair of wire clippers. To begin with, snip all of the stems off your foliage and flowers. You'll use the ends of the wires to poke into the polystyrene to secure them into the wreath. Once you're ready to begin, take a piece of foliage and just poke it into the polystyrene. This will give you a marker. Take out the foliage, fill the hole with glue and then pop the foliage back in. Just hold it there for a couple of seconds until it's firm. Now all you need to do is repeat the process. I tend to start with my foliage rather than the flowers. I almost feel that it's easier, it gives the wreath a bit more structure. Keep working your way around. You can create your wreath in any way you want to. You can make it more symmetrical, or as I'm doing here, the foliage is fairly symmetrical, but then the flowers, I just pop them on any which way. After a little while, you start to really get a feel for how the wreath is going to look, and you can build it up bit by bit. It's quite nice just adding all the different layers. One thing I would say is just don't be too precious. Try it. If it doesn't look right, just take it off and pop it somewhere else. And make sure you've covered all the visible white bits of the polystyrene wreath. And that's it, all finished and ready to hang. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it's given you some ideas for how you can make your own wreath. Thanks so much for watching. If you like the film, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and head over to my blog for more crafty makes.